Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Alienware Aurora isn't turning on. So in most cases the reason behind it is the laptop simply being discharged, and things are a bit more complicated with this particular laptop since it requires more charging performance from our adapter than most other laptops, and its requirements are very specific, and you most probably won't find any suitable charger, substitute charger for this laptop, even if you have other laptops in your house. But yeah, basically what you have to do is just connect the charging cable to your laptop. The charging port is located on the back side of the laptop. So right here we have the barrel type charging port where the charging cable goes. And now if you want to use any other port like USB-C ports, they will not work, because they, in my case, at least they do not work for power delivery. So if you don't have the original cable around, you're gonna need to find one on the marketplace and get it for yourself. And then just make sure that your power adapter, which looks like this, and if you look at it, it provides your laptop with 200. It has the capacity of 240 watts, which is not very common. So if you connect it properly to your laptop and then either just open the lid, as you can see, of your laptop, or wait for a moment and then short press the power button, then your laptop will launch. Now also you can check the power indicator, or rather the charging indicator, which is located on the left edge of your laptop. However, if your laptop is full, so as you can see, if your laptop is fully charged, the LED indicator will only glow for a couple of seconds to indicate that the charging adapter is connected, and then it will turn off. So if you don't see it glowing, it doesn't mean that your laptop isn't charging. Just make sure that it turns on for a couple of seconds when you plug in the charging cable. If it doesn't, that means that your laptop is simply not being charged. But if your laptop is being charged and still doesn't want to turn on, then if it was exposed to overly hot or extremely cold temperatures for a significant amount of time, you might want to leave it without even a charger inside, just for a rest, especially considering that this is a gaming laptop and it can overheat. It can overheat easily, considering the hardware installed in it. So maybe just put your device to rest for up to 12 hours. And now this is a very huge number, I know, but it really depends on how hot or how cold the conditions were that your laptop was put to. And after that, just plug in the charging cable. Make sure that your device is charging by looking at the charging indicator on the left edge of the laptop, and then short press the power button in the top right corner of your laptop to let it launch. If it doesn't want to start even after that, then most probably your battery has run out of the capacity, and usually in such case your laptop will show you a notification about it once you start it. But if you don't even see this notification, then I definitely suggest reaching out to Dell customer support service, notifying them about this issue, or just taking your laptop to the nearest repair center. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.